NIKU YASAI RAMEN, a must-try easy homemade ramen recipe. Healthy and nutritious. 40 grams of onion, cut into half-moon slices. $80 grams of cabbage, cut into bite-sized pieces. $30 grams of carrot, cut into thick julienne stripes. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Heat the pot thoroughly. Add the cut onion. Add the cut carrot. When the vegetables are lightly cooked, push them to one side of the pot. Half teaspoon of vegetable oil. 80 grams of thinly sliced pork. A dash of salt and pepper. 1 cooked to some extent. Add the cut cabbage. $50 grams of bean sprouts. Half teaspoon of Shantung or your preferred bouillon or stock. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Once cooked, the stir fry is done. Do not wash the pot. Add 350 ml of water to the juices from the vegetables. 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of Shantung or your preferred bouillon or stock. Half teaspoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. A pinch of ajinomoto. Medium heat. Once heated, the ramen broth is done. Medium heat. Pour plenty of water in the pot. Approximately 110 grams of fresh ramen noodles. Boil the noodles for the time indicated on the package. After boiling, slightly rinse the noodles with cold water to remove slimeness. Drain the rinsed noodles thoroughly. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to the ramen bowl. Half teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Add the heated ramen broth. Add the ramen noodles. Finally, top with the stir-fry vegetable and your NIKU YASAI ramen is done. Enjoy!